Good morning, good day, expeditioners, whatever time you're watching this. Anyways, Autumn and I are about to go on a little hike today for an adventure, and we got up this morning and check this out. This is pretty surreal for Alabama because we don't get this very often. Hey guys, sorry if it's a little windy right now. Autumn and Mally and I are out here at Cane Creek Nature Preserve, or Cane Creek Canyon, and this is like a little parking area. I believe it's all owned by a family, but we're out here just getting to explore more of it than what we have in the past. It's been, like pre-COVID since we were out here last. So yeah, we're gonna go get our hiking on and enjoy the day. All right, so I'll take a second to kind of explain to you guys. Cane Creek Nature Preserve is like a network of different trails and stuff, so you could take all day out here if you wanted. Today, I think we're gonna try to cover about 7 miles to go see this area where there's supposedly a waterfall. I know last time we went on a hike, there was supposed to be a waterfall. There definitely was not, but supposed to be some big boulders and a creekside trail we're gonna take. But yeah, y'all should definitely check it out. They have a website and all the sign in and everything's online, so you don't have to worry about, I mean, you can stay social distance and everything. So yeah, check it out.
You could go to some water?
Hey Autumn, you want to tell them about the little water canisters out here?
Fresh drinking water.
Fresh drinking water. Yeah, so out here, guys, they have, I mean, we bring all of our water too, but they fill these up a certain amount so they don't freeze and bust out here at night during the winter. But anyways, there's always little pit stops with fresh drinking water for you and your four-legged pals. I don't know how many bathrooms they have out here, but they have some. I was trying to convince Autumn, you know, the woods is your bathroom.
I think I need to get one of those little cups first. Little peeing cup. Funnel.
Yeah, need a funnel. Oh look, there's another little drinking stand right there. Yep. As you guys can see, we've made it a long ways from where we parked. LOL. We're just getting started. Had to make a quick pit stop. We've been in the car for about an hour, so yeah, ready to get on the trail now. So this is one of the first little waterfalls that you get to. It's like a really short walk from the parking lot. I mean, if you come through the little picnic area, it's maybe a quarter mile, if that. So if you and or your family are wanting to come out to Cane Creek, one of the shorter hikes out here is the point, and this is the point right here. It's a pretty cool overlook, and it looks really good at all time of the year. You just have this beautiful overlook at the valley here. Whoa. So we've never hiked out this far before and just came upon this little rest area. Mm-hmm. Anyways, yeah, it's got bathrooms over there, another drinking stand, and this cool little swing. So, yeah. Mally is eyeing your sandwich. All right, found this half pipe out here. Let's get ready to drop in. Nothing to it. Oh yeah.
I'm just kidding, please don't fall. You have a branch stuck around your feet.
What?
You have a branch stuck around your feet. Show them how it's done. Mally, come.
Sweet.
Get out of my way.
All right. So we made it a little bit further on our trek down to the Blue Hole, which we now know is named for this giant blue hole, the blue water. Oh, and one other quick mention, y'all. One thing about Cane Creek Nature Preserve is it's an awesome place with tons of trails, obviously, but the trails are pretty dynamic with the elevation change. So, I mean, if you got bad knees, I don't know if you're already hiking or not, but it's definitely a fun hike because it does have a lot of rocks and elevation change to do. So, but it's definitely more on the moderate difficulty, I'd say. I mean, some of the short ones right here next to the parking area are pretty easy, but then on out there down in the valley going up, there could be some more strenuous steps and stuff. So just a quick mention, it is pretty dynamic with elevation change. And other than that, it's a beautiful piece of property here in Tuscumbia, Alabama. Alrighty, so Autumn and I are just about back to the parking area, and we've had a pretty fun time here. Unfortunately, we were only able to make it about as far as the Blue Hole area. I guess that's what it's called, Blue Hole something. Didn't really make it out to the waterfall, but we had fun. That's as far as we wanted to take it today, and I would highly recommend Cane Creek Nature Preserve / Cane Creek Canyon as a fun day hike and stuff. Plenty of trails, and what's cool about it is if you're local to it, you can come out here and do a different trail next time or whatever. So our goal is definitely to make it out to the waterfall at some point. So you viewers at home, be sure to look up Cane Creek and come check it out sometime. It's a really cool place and the owners are super chill. In the meantime though, stay tuned for more videos each and every week. If you're not a subscriber already, consider doing so. I come out with cool new videos each and every week, and we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.